Welcome to my channel, where we explore the art of creating a peaceful and harmonious home for the long term. In today's video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies to help you achieve a tranquil and balanced living environment. Let's get started. Decluttering and organizing. The foundation of a peaceful home begins with decluttering and organization. An uncluttered home can truly translate to a clearer and calm state of mind. With less clutter around us, settling our mind is much easier and within reach. Start by getting rid of items you no longer need. Donate or recycle them to free up space and create a serene atmosphere. Invest in storage solutions like shelves, baskets, and storage containers. Keep things in their designated places to maintain order and peace. Include aromatherapy in your peaceful setting. Filling a room with one of your favorite essential oil-based scents can give you an immediate sense of peace. Adding aromatherapy can be done to create a peaceful home with diffusers, scented candles, sprigs of dried herbs tied with string, using cleaning sprays with essential oils. You can change the scents to complement the seasons, or just use your favorite smells to complement every room. Sentimental decorations. One way to create a peaceful home is by surrounding yourself with items that are meaningful to you and remind you of a favorite place or time in your life. If you love the ocean, choose colors that complement that palette with a fresh accent pillow, a few serene paintings of nature, or by placing collected seashells in your favorite rooms. Small changes to our living spaces can make a big difference. Surround yourself with things you love. Finding things that bring you joy and tranquility and putting them in your peaceful home is a must in today's world. Invest in your bedroom. It's hard to feel calm if you're not getting enough sleep. So we would argue that as you work to make your home a calmer, more peaceful space, you should first focus on your bedroom. Invest in blackout shades, which will stop too much light from creeping in. Paint your walls a calming color, like a light blue or a neutral tone. Invest in a white, minimalist bedspread. If you've ever noticed that hotel bedding eyes white, there's a reason for that. People actually sleep better in white bedding. Make your home as cozy as possible. I love all things cozy living, so of course, this idea would be one of my suggestions. Your couch and chairs should be so comfortable, you never want to leave them. It doesn't have to be expensive to have the best seating available. Adding comfy pillows to your couch and chairs will also make the places you rest even more desirable. A cozy fireplace warms the atmosphere of the room. A fireplace is the very definition of cozy living. There's something so grounding about sitting in front of a fire and watching the flames on a cold winter's night. Even if you don't have a fireplace, you can buy an electric fireplace and add it to any room that needs a little warmth. Sometimes I put it on in the summer months because I love my fireplace so much. Making your own cozy nook. We all want to carve out our very own space in the world. Your peaceful home should have one corner of it dedicated to you. Whether that means having your small writing desk or a comfortable chair with your books and knitting standing by, you should have a place to relax whenever the world gets to be too much. I know someone with a tiny peaceful home, but she wanted a spot in the house to write the novel she always dreamed about writing. Use sound to create a more tranquil environment. Sound is another way to create a peaceful home. While playing your favorite music is a great way to invite your mind to relax for a while, it's not the only way to invite calm into your home. The gurgling sound of water from a garden or indoor fountain will soothe any weary soul and instantly create that peaceful home feeling. I also love the sound of wind chimes dancing in the breeze. Create cozy areas in your yard. This idea of creating more peace at home is probably the one most overlooked. Whether you have a large yard or a small one, you can easily create outdoor rooms that turn your outdoor space into your version of a heavenly peaceful setting. It's worth the time and energy to plan what you would like to include in your yard to lead to a more tranquil environment. Adding seating areas throughout your garden will entice your family and friends to enjoy your yard more and soak up the sun and fresh air. Rocking chairs on a porch always add more coziness to any home. I love to sit on my front porch on a rainy day. Technology and screen time. In our digital age, it's essential to manage technology and screen time. Set boundaries for screen time, both for yourself and your family. This will allow you to connect with each other without distraction. Bring nature inside. Now let's talk about greenery in your home. Introduce indoor plants to your decor. They purify the air and bring nature inside, creating a tranquil and fresh ambience. Adding greenery to your home not only enhances its aesthetics, but also contributes to improved air quality, reduces stress. Adding more nature indoors adds up to a more peaceful home and life. Adding fresh flowers to your home is another way you'll find your stress levels going down. Natural lighting creates peaceful settings. Natural light is such an essential part of well-being. You'll want to make sure you don't obstruct your windows as much as possible to let the sunlight stream through. Keeping your windows sparkling clean will make everything shine a little bit more. I like to have light and airy curtains on my windows because they are the jewels of my house. Open your curtains and blinds during the day to let in natural light. Sunlight not only brightens your space but also has a positive effect on your mood. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a peaceful home for the long term. Remember, a harmonious living space is a continuous work in progress. Small changes can lead to big improvements. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration.